Take your hat off. Take your hat off.
Where's the light? 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 There.
Yeah, Bella.
Yay! What a smart girl. Light. Yes. I just taught you that and you remembered. Uh-oh. You gonna get down? Do you know how?
Quick. She totally lunged. Doesn't hurt you, Beba?
Hi, are you okay?
I heard her head hit. Bella? Bella, that didn't hurt?
Yeah, sure.